The 1947 National Electrical Code, or NEC, was a significant milestone in the progression of electrical safety. It superseded the 1940 edition and incorporated several important updates and revisions. These included new requirements for grounding and bonding, updated rules for wiring methods, and enhanced safety measures for motors and appliances. These changes reflected the fast evolution of electrical technology and the growing need for comprehensive safety standards. The electrical code is constantly evolving, and there is always something new to discover. The journey of electrical knowledge is an ongoing one. It is useful to share insights and knowledge with the community. Experience and perspective are invaluable to the discussions. One should not hesitate to ask questions, share thoughts, or offer advice. The more that is learned from each other, the better equipped everyone is to ensure the safety of communities. The 1947 NEC book is a real treasure. It is a look into the history of electrical safety. Grounding and bonding enhancements were made. Updated rules for wiring methods were introduced. Enhanced safety measures for motors and appliances were implemented. The 1947 NEC reflected the evolving landscape of electrical technology. Comprehensive safety standards were needed in this era. The electrical code is constantly changing. It is a reminder that the journey of electrical knowledge is ongoing. Firstly, the 1947 NEC addressed grounding. Secondly, bonding requirements were added. Thirdly, wiring methods were updated. Fourthly, safety measures for motors were enhanced. Fifthly, appliance safety was improved. The 1947 NEC was a crucial step in electrical safety. It built upon the 1940 edition. New grounding requirements were introduced. Bonding requirements were clarified. Wiring methods were made safer. Motor safety was prioritized. Appliance safety was enhanced. The NEC continues to evolve. New technologies require constant updates. Electricians must stay informed about code changes. The NEC ensures the safety of electrical systems. Proper grounding is essential for safety. Bonding reduces the risk of electric shock. Safe wiring methods prevent fires. Motor safety is critical in industrial settings. Appliance safety protects consumers. The NEC is a living document. It is updated regularly to reflect new technologies. Electricians must be knowledgeable about the latest code requirements. Continuing education is essential for electricians. The NEC protects people and property from electrical hazards. Safe electrical practices are essential. The 1947 NEC laid the groundwork for modern electrical safety. Its principles are still relevant today. Grounding, bonding, wiring, motors, and appliances are all addressed in the code. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards. It is used by electricians, inspectors, and engineers. The NEC is essential for electrical safety. Proper installation and maintenance are crucial. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. The NEC is a valuable resource for electricians. It provides guidance on safe electrical practices. The NEC is constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of the electrical industry. Electricians must stay up to date on the latest code requirements. The NEC is a complex document. It requires careful study and interpretation. Electricians must be able to apply the code correctly in order to ensure electrical safety. The NEC is an important tool for protecting people and property from electrical hazards. It is essential for all electricians to be familiar with the code. The NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated to reflect new technologies and best practices. Electricians must stay informed about the latest changes to the code in order to ensure that their work is compliant. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document that covers a wide range of electrical topics. It is essential for electricians to have a thorough understanding of the code in order to perform their work safely and effectively. The NEC is an important tool for protecting people and property from electrical hazards. It is the responsibility of all electricians to follow the code and to ensure that their work is done safely and in compliance with all applicable regulations. The NEC is a valuable resource for electricians, inspectors, and other professionals in the electrical industry. It provides guidance on safe electrical practices and helps to ensure the safety of electrical systems. The NEC is a constantly evolving document that is updated on a regular basis to reflect new technologies and best practices. Electricians must stay informed about the latest changes to the code in order to ensure that their work is compliant and safe. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document that covers a wide range of electrical topics, including grounding, bonding, wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and equipment installation. It is essential for electricians to have a thorough understanding of the code in order to perform their work safely and effectively. The NEC is an important tool for protecting people and property from electrical hazards such as electric shock, fire, and explosion. It is the responsibility of all electricians to follow the code and to ensure that their work is done safely and in compliance with all applicable regulations. Grounding ensures a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, tripping the overcurrent protective device and clearing the fault. Bonding connects non-current carrying metal parts to create an electrically conductive path, minimizing voltage differences and reducing the risk of electric shock. Wiring methods specify the types of cables, conductors, and raceways that are permitted for different applications, ensuring that the wiring system is properly installed and protected. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits, preventing fires and damage to equipment. Equipment installation requirements ensure that electrical equipment is properly installed and grounded, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. The NEC also covers other important topics such as hazardous locations, special occupancies, and emergency systems. These topics are essential for ensuring the safety of electrical systems in a variety of different applications. Electricians must be familiar with all of the relevant sections of the NEC in order to perform their work safely and effectively. The NEC is a valuable resource for protecting people and property from electrical hazards. It is the responsibility of all electricians to follow the code and to ensure that their work is done safely and in compliance with all applicable regulations. Understanding the NEC is crucial for electrical safety. Properly installed electrical systems are essential. Regular inspections can identify potential hazards. Staying updated with code changes is important. Electrical safety should always be a top priority. The 1947 NEC laid the foundation for current standards. The NEC is continuously updated to address new challenges. Electricians play a vital role in ensuring safety. Knowledge of the NEC is a valuable asset. Safe electrical practices protect lives and property. The NEC is a comprehensive guide to electrical safety. The electrical industry relies on the NEC for guidance. The NEC promotes uniformity in electrical installations. Electricians should strive to exceed NEC requirements. The NEC is a living document constantly evolving. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. The NEC is a testament to the importance of safety. The NEC reflects advancements in electrical technology. The NEC is a critical resource for electrical professionals. The NEC helps to prevent electrical accidents. The NEC emphasizes proper grounding and bonding. The NEC promotes safe wiring practices. The NEC protects against overcurrents and short circuits. The NEC ensures proper equipment installation. The NEC covers hazardous locations and special occupancies. The NEC addresses emergency systems and life safety. Electricians must be well versed in the NEC. Understanding the NEC is essential for safety. The NEC is a valuable tool for electrical professionals. Staying current with the NEC is crucial for electricians. The NEC promotes uniformity in electrical installations. The NEC helps to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The NEC is a testament to the importance of electrical safety. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. The NEC protects people and property from electrical hazards.